There are rumors concerning the withdrawal and listing date of the Docs airdrop, and also a rumors concerning the total supply. In this video, I am going to give you the legitimate news, the fake and the truth about this particular rumors circulating on the web. Alright, so if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe, please give me a like, leave a comment at the comment section. Make sure you join me on Telegram and also follow me on X. And when you check the first comment, you are going to see my top 15 Telegram crypto project. Make sure you join all. My best is YesCoin. Don't fade with YesCoin. The swipe to end. If you fade, now your own problem. Oh, let's get into it. What brought about these rumors is the 14th August. What is happening on 14th August? What is happening on 14th August is the birthday of Telegram. Yes, the Telegram messenger. And we all know that those who are backing dogs are the Ton blockchain, Notcoin as well. Okay, and we know that Notcoin is a product of the Ton blockchain. Okay, and the Ton blockchain is the product of Telegram, and the Telegram is the product of the owner. Okay, Dura or whatever. I can't mention the name. I don't know the name. I don't know how to mention it, but I can spell it. All right, so that is it. You understand? So as long as they are related, people are presuming that on the 14th of August is something. Now let's go and check out what they themselves posted. All right, so now this is Doc's X account. Okay, when I go up, you can see I'm coming. Let me open their account, and you can see that they have 2.5 million followers. Now when I click here, you can see that Darkhub is following them. Okay, Money Docs is following them. When I scroll down, you can see that Pavel Durev, that is the owner of Telegram and the Ton blockchain, okay, is following them. All right, then Bloom is following them. Notai is following them. Okay, so if you are not on Notai, I'll leave the link at the description line. Dormant is following them. Ton Degen is following them. All right, so when I can go on and go on, you can see Trust Wallet, KuCoin is following them. Indicated Chidi is following them. It's not Chidi. All right, so that is it. So you can see a lot of prominent people are following them. All right, so this is the original Docs X handle or account. Right, so this is what they posted. All right, so they did a little tease over here, so you can check over here. It says, did you know that 14th August is Telegram's birthday? We also have something for you to celebrate. Now when you check this image, you can see this is Telegram and this is Docs. So people are like, oh, because there is Docs, that means they will be listing on the 14th of August. Is it so? I am going to give you an update concerning that. Now let's go and check this. Now this guy is called Victor. Now before I tell you anything about Victor, let's go and check out his handle. Okay, he has 140k followers. Right, when I click here, all right, the followers he has, Billion Gems is following them, Betting is following them, Avacoin is following them. Pavel Durev, which is the manager or the owner, sorry, that's not the manager, the founder of Telegram or the owner of Telegram, is following Victor. So that means this guy is very close to this project. All right, Bloom, Cartizan, they are all following this guy, right, Victor. All right, so now let's go and check out what Victor has said. All right, Victor said, highlight about Docs from this weekend. Details from the token airdrop launch on Ton will be announced on the 14th of August. So the TGU will be announced on the 14th of August, which is the birthday of Telegram. So that is not the listing date. That will be the announcement of the TGE. All right, and it says that the speculation about 200 billion supply has been proven to be false. Okay, so the total supply which has been circulating on the internet is very, very false. It is untrue, so don't take in heart. So the last day of the mining is 14th August. So make sure that you gather as many points as possible before 14th August. So this is the update. All right, this is all you have to know about the Docs project. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please follow me, like my video, leave a comment at the comment section, join my Telegram channel, and also follow me on X. Check the first comment. You're going to see my top 15 Telegram crypto project. What are you waiting for? Join all those projects, or else you do yourself. Bye. Bye bye.